Hey, I'm Bas van Steenbergen, and this is my Maxxis bike check. Sweet, so I am running the DHF front and rear. It's just kind of a setup that I run super often, and kind of knowing what the tire is going to do is super important to me, and these tires roll fast but still hook up a lot. I run EXO casing front and rear to keep it light. I do run a tube in the back to make it roll a little bit less and just make it feel a little stiffer. I run 33 PSI in the back and 30 in the front, and that's kind of the happy medium that I like to run. It still hooks up in the corners, but still rolls really fast. Thank you, this is my Maxxis bike check, and yeah, we'll see you on the track.